Okay, this is my comment your code for week 12's assignment on my index.html page here. The title, Contact Manager, with my links to the style sheet, Bootstrap, and CSS. And the body of this is my H1 header, Contact Manager. Within that, you've got the form here for contact form. Then included a div with the input text so that the user can input their name. That's why the placeholder name is there. And then another div here with the input type email and the placeholder email so the user can input their email and information. And then I have a button here to submit, which reads add contact. And the H2 header list with contacts that should reflect underneath there. They're not showing once I've, been messing around with it, trying to add my information. It's not showing. I could not figure out why it's not reading that. Um, the next page is my script.js page. And here is where the form data is handled that was entered into the web page. First, I've got the fetch contacts function here that calls AJAX get to request to fetch contacts from the API endpoint and then puts it into the contact list and adds the list items, which is reflected. Where is that? I believe here in line 10. Yes. Um, for each contact that was listed. And then my contact form here at line 18, that submit function here listens for the submission of the contact form when it's submitted. It prevents the default form submission behavior and then pulls that name and email that was entered in those contact fields. The last page, my styles.css page here, is where I put the um, parameters for the max width, margins, the add contact button here, contact list. Um, but for some reason, I'm not sure what went wrong with my delete button and why it's not showing. I do have that information here, so I obviously missed something in one of my previous pages that caused that delete button not to show. I tried Googling some results, but I still couldn't get it figured out. And but over on the web page here, you see it's got Contact Manager where you can input your name and your email address and add contact. Again, the contact information that's entered and submitted here should reflect underneath the word contacts here. Again, I'm not sure why that is not showing there and why there is no delete button. And then once you refresh the page, it clears those fields. Oh, now it's not sure why that happened.